we are now going to Advanced Technical SEO Strategies, where we dive into the intricate details that can significantly impact your website's performance and visibility in search engine results. Today, we're exploring cutting-edge techniques that go beyond the basics, making sure that your site is perfectly tuned for both search engines and users. Let's begin our journey. As you may already know, JavaScript enriches websites with interactivity and functionality, but presents unique challenges for SEO. Its execution can affect how quickly users and search engines interact with your content. Let's consult ChatGPT for solutions. PageSpeed Insights told me JavaScript is too long to execute. Give me 5 actions I can perform to reduce execution time. So ChatGPT advises us to use techniques such as code splitting, removing or deferring non-critical JavaScript, and compressing files. What you can now do is copy and paste the code of your JS files and ask ChatGPT to optimize it using this answer. This is how it gets concrete. Technical SEO also includes your site's architecture. An optimized website architecture is crucial for SEO. It influences how search engines crawl and understand your site, and how easily users navigate and find content. Let's see how ChatGPT and WebPilot can help us there. Using WebPilot, we'll analyze, optimize my website architecture to improve site crawlability and user experience. Here is the URL, and paste the URL. So here, ChatGPT provides us with an interesting and clear site architecture. Of course, it might not be perfect since you need to adapt it to your website's goals. But the main goal here is to boost user experience and make it easy for crawlers to index our site comprehensively. So that's already a great start. Now, dynamic rendering is also something you can optimize with ChatGPT. Don't know what that is? Dynamic rendering is the process of serving content based on the user agent that calls it. This means serving a client-side rendered version of your site for human users and a separate server-side version for search engines. You give the users what they want and Google robots something else. Not bad, huh?
So let's explore dynamic rendering with WebPilot. We're going to go with help me implement dynamic rendering to serve SEO-friendly content for this website. And I'll paste my URL.
So ChatGPT helps us bridge the gap between providing a dynamic user experience and maintaining SEO excellence. It's especially crucial for content-heavy application-like websites where ensuring all content is indexed can be a challenge. Now, what about structured data? If you don't know what that is, structured data is a standardized format for providing information about a page and classifying the page content. For example, on a recipe page, what are the ingredients, the cooking time and temperature, the calories, and so on.
And for this, we use schema markup. We absolutely want that in SEO, but as usual, that's not easy. So let's ask our friend, ChatGPT, help me create custom schema markup to enhance content visibility in search results for this page. And I'll paste my URL.
As you can see, we get a custom schema markup for our page. And like in the simpler example we saw before, you just have to include it in the header of your page. That's really simple and saves you a lot of time. All right, if you have an international website in several languages, or if you want to expand globally, you need precise SEO strategies to target content correctly across different languages and regions. ChatGPT can help a lot, and we're going to see How? For a multilingual approach, I'll inquire with ChatGPT. I have a website in English
and I want to create a Spanish version. Help me optimize my website for international SEO with hreflang tags, giving me 10 concrete actions, include the code if necessary.
And there we have it. We have the material to implement the correct language and regional codes, ensuring content is fully translated and culturally adapted, and avoiding duplicate content across different language versions. The next technical element we can take care of is Google's Core Web Vitals. If you don't know what that is, these are critical metrics for understanding your website's user experience, directly influencing SEO. So I'm pretty sure ChatGPT can help here. In this case, we are going to use a screenshot of the results we had when we checked Core Web Vitals. Crafting an action plan, I'll prompt ChatGPT. Provide an action plan for optimizing a website's performance against Google's Core Web Vitals. Here are the results I got. Fix this. So as you can see, actions are well detailed. And what you could do is, for example, to ask after this how to optimize images or how to implement lazy loading step by step. I'm not kidding. This is really, really important. And regularly monitoring these vitals through tools like PageSpeed Insights can lead to significant improvements in user experience and SEO. Now, do you know exactly what's interactive content? Interactive content is any type of content that requires the user's active participation, such as quizzes, polls, calculators, games, surveys, or videos. It can be a powerful way to engage your audience, generate leads, but can also positively impact your SEO by increasing time spent on site. Why not ask ChatGPT for help on this too? Exploring interactive elements, I'll ask ChatGPT, provide examples of interactive content that could boost SEO through improved user engagement on an e-commerce website about garages and carports. Obviously, you'll change that last part with what you think is right. What's good is that we have a selection of tailor-made content we can use, so you can pick something here and there and apply this for your website. Accessibility improvements not only make your site more inclusive, but also align with SEO best practices, enhancing content discoverability for all users, including search engine crawlers. Let's explore accessibility optimizations with WebPilot.
Provide strategies to improve this website's accessibility that also benefit SEO. And boom, the URL.
As you can see, enhancing your site's accessibility can include measures like ensuring alt text for all images, which aids visually impaired users and improves image searchability, using header tags properly, and much more.
You think accessibility is BS?
Well, in EAT, there's E for experience. So Google values experience, and good accessibility is good experience. And if you improve the experience for everybody, you'll be rewarded. Now, this is really a specific use case. We're going to talk about single page applications, or SPAs. In a SPA, a page refresh never occurs. It's the case for Gmail or Facebook or Netflix. Single page applications offer sleek user experiences but pose unique challenges for SEO, primarily around content indexing and link crawling. So, if you have one, you'll want to have a look at this. Navigating SPA SEO. I'll ask ChatGPT, I have a single page application in the fitness niche. Give me a list of concrete actions to effectively index this SPA content for SEO. And here we go. I get the concrete actions that I need to index my SPA and avoid problems that may occur if I want to work on my SEO. And we've now covered a lot of techniques. As you can see, technical SEO strategies go way beyond mere keywords and backlinks. You can optimize JavaScript. You can make multilingual features easy. There's so much you can do just with the help of ChatGPT. Of course, all these elements are not mandatory. You have to use them if they apply to your case. But that's really important to know, that whatever you do in SEO, you have a hand. You have the support of ChatGPT. And now that we have covered the whole how we can optimize what's on your website, we're going to see how to optimize what's not on your website. In the next section, we're going to talk about how ChatGPT can help you for link building.